Bitcoin surpasses $22,000 and may rally further. A review of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, an ETF fund. Bitcoin has surged about 20% this week, breaching $22,000 for the first time and stirring predictions that more gains lie ahead for the world's largest crypto assets, according to Bloomberg. The digital asset jumped as much as 5.5% to about $22,366 on Thursday, the 17th of December 2020, according to a composite of prices compiled by Bloomberg. Bitcoin and the wider Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index have both more than tripled this year, 2020. Proponents argue that Bitcoin is challenging gold as a potential portfolio diversifier amid dollar weakness and potential inflationary pressure. Opponents see a speculative drive that will lead to yet another meltdown, as was the case 3 years ago. There are indications that longer-term market participants like asset managers and family offices are playing more of a role this time around, alongside trend-following quant funds. We will cover one in this video. That's Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. According to Scott Maynard, the Chief Investment Officer at Guggenheim Investments, Bitcoin's scarcity combined with the rampant money printing by the Federal Reserve means the digital token should eventually climb to about $40,000. So in our review of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, we can see that it closed at $25.81, and a report here by Reuters says Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is an investment vehicle. BTC enables investors to gain access and exposure to the price movement of Bitcoin in the form of traditional security without buying, storing, and safekeeping Bitcoin directly. BTC's purpose is to hold Bitcoins, which are digital assets that are created and transmitted through the operations of peer-to-peer Bitcoin network, a decentralized network of computers that operates on cryptographic protocols. Okay, so that's a brief snapshot. You can see how it, just like Bitcoin itself, it's reached a 52-week high yesterday, the 16th of December 2020. You can see what the chart is going. You can see this progressive climb, even though I debate pullbacks and corrections, so you can fundamentally has a gross expense ratio of 2%, net expense ratio of 2%. Inception date was the 25th of September 2013. Total assets is $10.2 billion. Total holdings is one, which is Bitcoin itself only. And technically, it says here that GBTC appears to be correcting within a longer-term bullish trend. Okay, is it correcting within a long-term bullish trend? Okay, maybe not. We don't see a correction itself, but the trend is bullish. We just with the long-term trend, it's bullish. You can see that yellow curve here just inched up. Unless they are, yes, it's inched up, and I don't think this is right. Although its MACD is presently below the signal line, shares remain 110.3% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. It's outperforming the S&P 500 index. Momentum for GBT is strongly bullish. This is the momentum. It's currently at 23 point. Okay, the price of the change is at 23.7%. Okay, so it says it's strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing the shares and driving the price higher. Okay, we don't see that. Well, it's in the it's in the wider overbought picture, but we don't see that in the in the precise overbought scale itself. Today's volume was heavier than usual. That was the 16th of December 2020. Trading 18,561,539 shares versus an average of 6,360,321 shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. The Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal in the near-term trend. So you can see what the monthly total returns. Okay, market price year to date is up 183.19%. For the last 1 month, it's 50.80%. Since its inception, it's 72.54%. So quarterly returns, we have all of these here. For 1 year, it has 3.59%. Okay, so as we indicated, the purpose of this fund is for those who do not want to expose themselves to the assets itself, to Bitcoin itself. You can buy this as regular shares or ETFs, just a regular transaction to expose yourself to what's going on now. So they also have, I believe, there are options on this. Let's find out. So the question is it safe to do so? Well, okay, there are no options involved. So the question is it safe to do so? Well, you really have to be cautious, and you have to be cautious. And if you really have to diversify your portfolio, I guess, like I've been doing myself, I just test the waters with a small amount of money, and going by the price of $25.81 as against 22,000. Yes, it makes it probably offers a good chance to expose yourself, a good opportunity to expose yourself. $22,000 is a lot of money, but relative to $25.81, you can just place a small amount of money, nothing more than, let's say, $250, and see how it goes, and see how it goes from there. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video, and share and like. Thank you very much.